Let's look at lesson number 4. First, let's set up the problem. It says 4x's plus 5. So let me set up the 4 blue pawns. Let me set up the 5 cube. And on the right side, I have 2x's plus 13. We learned in lesson number 3 that we can do legal moves by removing a pawn from each side. So let's do that. I can remove 1 pawn from each side. I can do that again. Now in lesson number 4, we learned that we can also do legal moves with the cubes. If I take away a 5 value from this side, I need to take away a 5 value from here. Let me take away 5 from the 10. So this becomes a 5. Now if 2 pawns are worth 8, that means that each one of those has to be worth 4. So let me write x equals 4, press done. Now to do the check, remember, we always go back to the original physical setup. So I need 4x's plus 5. So here I have 4x's plus 5. And on the right side, I need 2x's plus 13. So now we're ready to do the check. Let's see if both sides have the same value. I have 4, 8, 12, 16, and 5 is 21. So let me select 21 on the number wheel. And on the right side, I have 4 and 4 is 8, and 10 is 18, and 3 is 21. So both sides do have the same value. So in lesson number 4, we've learned a new legal move, and that is that we can subtract the same cube value from both sides of the equation. Remember, to do the check, we always go back to the original physical setup.